Hey everyone, it's Brandon here with the Dumbbell. Today I'm going to show you guys a great 10-minute workout to help get rid of belly fat. So in today's workout, we're going to do 3 exercises. The first one's going to be high knees. So all we're going to do is just jog in place, just like this. Now I have an exercise mat because we're going to need one of those coming up for our ab exercises. So make sure when you're doing the high knees, push that off to the side so you don't trip over it or slip on it. But just get your knees up, jog in place, and just count to 80 on that exercise. The second one we're going to do is we're going to get down on the ground right here. We're going to do bicycle crunches. So the bicycle crunches, you're going to go opposite elbow to opposite knee, just like this. And just go, try to get that elbow as much as you can across the body. And make sure to breathe. A lot of people have a tendency to hold their breath in when they're doing this exercise. You want to exhale when you go up and then inhale when you come back down. And then just like I said, get a good twist across the body. So you're going to do 50 bicycle crunches. The last exercise, we're going to do toe touches. So we're going to have our legs up and you're just going to reach up high. Now you might not be able to touch your toes when you do this one, but as long as you reach up high, get your upper back and shoulders off the ground, you'll still feel that completely right here in your mid abs, especially after just doing the bicycle crunches. So you're going to do 25 toe touches. And again, if you can only reach up this high, that's fine. If you can't keep your legs up, then just reach up and touch your knees. So with those 3 exercises, you have 80 high knees, you have 50 bicycle crunches, and you have 25 toe touches. In 10 minutes, just get as many rounds as you can get in. I would say it's probably going to be right around 2 for sure, probably 3. You might be able to get 4 in, but just do as many rounds as you can get in for 10 minutes, and it's a great way to help get rid of belly fat.